Finally, the wait is over. Emergency Focus are launching their own AMC Clinical Exam Preparation course. AMC Clinical Exam is challenging. Not only it tests your clinical and medical understanding, but it also tests your understanding of the Australian health system. We've made an entire new program. It's an 8-week program which has got 3-tiered approach. Step 1, real exam scenarios in exam conditions in exam time. Not only that, will then improve your answer with regards to the understanding of the Australian health system and comes across much more polished. Step 2, we've actually got 2 mock exams. The first mock exam will be at 4 weeks, halfway through to the course, and that will help you identify the areas that need more work and more improvement. The second mock exam will be at the end, and it will help consolidate all of the learning that you have done and help boost your confidence right before the exam. The third part of our course is AMC specific communication skills workshop. Now, AMC exam is all about communication skills. So what we've done is taken some extra effort to make this workshop in which we'll be talking about frameworking your answer in a very small amount of time in a station, how to open up an introduction, how to gain a consent, develop a rapport with the patient, and how to maximize the output of your medical information in a way which is not appearing as a jargon, but more formulated and more succinct. And at the end, how to summarize your findings. So right before the bell rings, your answer is actually concluded in a very polished and very nice manner. Our faculty are all AMC certified, working as consultants and senior doctor on Australian health system, and gives us a certain edge over the rest of the AMC clinical exam preparation course, because we'll be able to tell you how Australian system works. When there's an elderly patient who comes in after the fall, what are the different facilities like asset team, physio, OT? How can we communicate with relatives to help discharge that patient back into the safety of their own home by including an elderly care package? If the patient comes in with an early miscarriage, what are the various services and facilities available in the hospital like EPAS clinic? How can we organize and tap into a hospital and outpatient ultrasound? How to communicate back to the GP and gynecology registrar? So all these very practical tips which are unique to the Australian health system, we can help improve all of that, and our faculty are completely trained to do so. Now recently I was talking to Dr. Sachal. Dr. Sachal is a JMO, and I asked him some of the questions about his journey through his AMC2 clinical. So let's listen to Dr. Sachal. Can you just tell me, when did you do your AMC exam, first of all?
I passed my AMC in June 2016.
How was your experience in terms of the content and the delivery of the content and the tutoring in particular?
When I went for the classes, I was expecting that someone who's got Australian healthcare experience will be teaching, but they were the people who had just passed the exam and they were the ones who were teaching. So just in terms of someone telling me that a treatment for tonsillitis is antibiotics, I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for a person who has worked in the system, how to ask the questions, how to answer it, and the examiners are there who have lots of experience.
Fair enough.
In terms of clinical exams, and they have seen people from starting from medical students to consultants passing the fellowship exam. So they need concrete content in terms of not just the treatment for anything.
Yes.
So which I thought was lacking when I did my coaching.
So what could be the better solution of this kind of problem?
I would suggest my fellow colleagues who are doing the exam that is not just knowing the treatment for anything or just marking up some notes and just delivering it. You need to adapt to the case, and there should be the people who have got lots of clinical experience, who take exams, who give exams, they are the ones I think so will be better teachers in helping you pass the exams in a very systematic way without just studying for 16 to 18 hours in a day.
I agree. It's more about smart planning and execution.
So it's all about ticking those boxes what they're looking for.
That's right. So That's very insightful. Any other tips you'd like to give?
As a group, we always requested our course coordinator to provide us with clinicians who are coming from the hospitals,
Okay.
rather than our seniors who have just passed the exam delivering the lectures.
That makes
That made, and there was, I think, 1 or 2 lectures which were delivered by the clinicians, and we could definitely see the difference.
That sounds very promising. Thank you, Dr. Gulati. Emergency Focus AMC Clinical Exam Preparation course is an 8-week course which starts in first week of May and goes through to the first week of July. Now you can register for the course at www.emergencyfocus.net/AMC Clinical, and we'll see you at the course. Thank you.